For various electrical components, often the models are not available from manufacturers. In such cases, one has to develop the model based on component data sheets and graphs. To ease this, PSpice has an inbuilt modeling application which can generate a model based on parameter values in one click, attached to a symbol, and ready for simulation. Let us model a power diode using parameters available in manufacturer datasheet. In Capture, launch the modeling application from Place menu. From the panel, navigate and open the modeling app for power diode. Here, you can see the parameters with description and default values. These parameters map directly to the values provided in any diode datasheet. This is the datasheet of a fast recovery power diode. Scroll down to find the relevant parameters which can be entered directly in the modeling app. For parameters VJ-knee and CT0 volts, find suitable graphs and enter the values according to the description. After entering all the parameter values, click Place, which generates the diode model attached to a symbol, and place it in the schematic. Let us simulate a DC sweep to plot the forward voltage characteristics of this diode at different temperatures. Run the simulation to see the results in PSpice window. Now, modify the simulation settings to simulate reverse voltage characteristics and run the simulation again to plot different values of reverse current at different temperatures. Again, modify the simulation settings to sweep the voltage across diode reverse breakdown range. Run the simulation and observe the reverse avalanche current as the breakdown voltage limit is crossed after 600 volts. With PSpice, modeling application makes it easy to model various components using parameter values directly from datasheet.